Hello friends, this is Rima here. Welcome to our channel. I'm Rihan. Today I want to start with my own tribe, and I am from KARBI tribe, which is located in Dumuru in Kamrup Metro. Well, today I want to surprise you with one of our dishes from our cuisine, Phak-ok and Dumuru, which consists of 3 ingredients: pork, Dumuru leaf, and local soda.
We are ready with our ingredients. What we will need is fig leaves. We call it as Dumuru arwo in KARBI, and that's how it looks. The next we will need is onion, garlic, and ginger, and red chillie. And what we will need is the local homemade soda, and the rice, the normal rice, and pork. First, we will be pounding the rice till it turns to fine flour. Then we will also pound the fig leaves till it's well grinded. Now let's start cooking. We'll put the oil and onion on the hot pan and fry it. Now it's time to put ginger, garlic, and chili paste. Now if you wish, you can put turmeric for color. Now we can put the pork here and fry it till it's half cooked. Now after the pork is half cooked, we will take out at another bowl. Now it's time to put the grinded Dumuru leaves or fig leaves and cook it for 30 seconds. Now we will give the homemade soda, or what we call as Pholo, on it, and we can mix it well. Now we will pour some warm water on it, and then we can give the half-cooked pork. Let it boil till it's well cooked. After the pork is fully cooked, we will give the rice flour little by little till it becomes thick. Now leave it to boil for some time till the rice flour gets cooked well too. Now it's ready to serve. Well, it looks very tasty, and we are going to start this with rice, and I urge you to please try this at home.
Kardam, hope you guys liked your video. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you.